Alrighty, I just wanted to quickly show off this tool I was making. I got so obsessed with making this all day today, so I just wanted to share it a little bit and then see if people can benefit from it. So anyway, I had my friend help me with the chart. So basically how it works is this is a practice assistant. So like when you're doing runs and you make mistakes on something, like for instance, you mess up, Misty Island boosted, you can come here and add a mistake. So let's say I mess up, section, I could say row, jump, section, and sentinel or something like that. So we can say that, I hit enter, and then it will move over into this mistakes list. And then as you see, we have our occurrences. So if we have something that's occurring more often, like I keep losing runs to Misty Island boosted, I can increase the occurrences by pressing this up and down. If I made a mistake, you can go down or whatever, but would say like I do keep losing runs to this or whatever. You can do it like that if you want to just increment it, or you can just literally just type out whatever number you want to type out. And then this chart will update accordingly with percentages, and you can see it's using this runs total to get the percentages. So like the idea of it is if you're messing it up and it kills your run, then you add the mistake. So these are like the mistakes that end your runs, because that means every single time you add a mistake, that's going to be another run to add to the percentage. Just wanted to make that clear. But yeah, so then you have this visual chart, which is really nice for someone like me who has an issue with numbers and everything like that, to look and see what is killing the majority of my runs. So I can be like, oh, okay, Misty Island boosted is killing 93% of my runs. I really should focus that. And even though the road jump section is sentinel is not always going my way, it doesn't affect me that much. So I'm going to prioritize this. And I just really wanted to make a tool like this because I often make similar mistakes, and I'm like, man, I wonder how many times I'm making that mistake out of all these runs that I have. And this tool will basically make that easy to keep track of. So every time you lose a run, you come here to add the mistake. And another cool thing is there's filtering. So what you can do is filter by condition, filter by values. So let's say I wanted to check to see if I had see all my sentinel stuff. I can come here and I see, okay, oh, sentinel is in there. So I know that, that's already there. So I can just add in the currents to that instead of adding multiple. So let's give an example of adding different things really quick. Spider cave boosted. You're gonna have to forgive me because I don't remember all the Jak stuff anymore. I don't really focus too much heavily on Jak anymore, so I'm forgetting the names of other runs. I only know Hundo now. LTS, whatever the hell you want to add, and then you're adding different occurrences and such like that as you're failing them, and you're like, oh, okay, so this is what's affecting me. And then my idea was to have one that works for each category that I'm focusing on. Since Hundo is my main thing, I'm just focusing on Hundo, but you could repeat this for different categories or whatever, and just have a new chart and a new system that does the same thing. I don't know if this is the best way to do this, but I spent all day fixated on this, and it's finally complete. So I hope to put it into practice next tomorrow, hopefully, if I can stream, when I do more open goal runs. And it's going to keep track of all my mistakes, regardless of open goal or PS2. And I think that should really help me figure out what I should focus on. But anyway, I hope this was helpful. If anyone is interested in this, I can definitely send you a copy. But yeah, anyways, peace out, fellow nerds.